you don't realize is out until you see blue lights in your rear view mirror because you've been pulled over for something you don't know about. And you have to find out by a police officer. So I'm going to change that out today. And I've never changed it before, so it shouldn't be difficult. I'm not sure if it's one bulb or two bulbs, so let's go ahead and check it out. So the bulb or bulbs that I need to change would be the tag light bulbs. I'm not sure if there's one or two at this point, but to get to them we just go to the license plate, taking a screwdriver, probably a Phillips head, that's what I have here, and we can just leave the tailgate down and get to them, kind of go underneath, or we can lift the gate up, which would probably be easier, and we can have those screws right at us here where we need it, right here. They're both rusted very bad. I had to reestablish the grooves, and this one sprayed some lubricant on both of them and was able to at least get them loose. I haven't taken them out yet. Screws are out now. I've got the lens out, and it's still connected to the bulb holder. So what I need to do is take one hand and hold the lens here, the other hand put right here on the bulb holder and turn it counterclockwise. Yeah, just like that. I don't have my tripod, so maybe we can do this with one hand. There we go. Just like that. Now, probably need two hands for this as well. And with some back and forth movement, I was able to pull it out. That's what it looks like. So we'll grab our new bulb and just push it in place. Here's the old and the new. A little bit different shape, but the plug or the end appears to be the same. It would be nice to have some silicone grease to put on the end there. I don't have any grease, but I do have this stuff here. I'm going to spray this. This is supposed to be plastic safe and helps prevent contact failure. Fast drying. Okay, lined it up. Okay, we should be good there. We can go ahead and test it. Awesome, we have light. For putting it back in place, just take a look at the configuration on the inside here of the lens I'm holding. Then take the bulb holder, find that same configuration, match it up with the hole, and then push the bulb holder into place. Once it's lined up, turn the bulb holder clockwise until it stops. Now line up the screw holes and grab our screws and put them in place. That's all there is to it. Replacing the tag light on a Jeep Cherokee. This is a 99. Let me show you the bulb number. Here's a look at the bulb number here. It's 168. Of course, it comes in packs of 2. Maybe if you ask if they have one behind the counter only, they may have. I'm not sure. I didn't do that. At the time, I wasn't sure how many I needed. But it is Sylvania Long Life. Hope it's been helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a great day. Take care. This cost about $7, which is pretty expensive, I thought. So have a nice day. Thank you.